How to find a site QR code. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find QR code on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google Chrome, and here you have those news or sites posts. All you need to do is click on one of them, for example the first one, and click on the share icon besides those 3 points. And now you have QR code at the bottom. Just click on it, and here this is your QR code. You can share your QR code or scan. This is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.